Adrienne Raimo. I'm an integrative and functional dietitian with One Bite Wellness. We will show you the setup process for the RKIN under sink reverse osmosis system and provide information so you can make the best choice in water quality for you and your family. The products featured in this video were provided by the manufacturer. Water, like air and sleep, are essential for human life. When it comes to optimizing your health and the health of your family and loved ones, clean, safe water is of paramount importance. Is your water safe? You'll want to research the source of your water supply, as heavy metals, pharmaceuticals, chemicals from agricultural runoff, and PFAS or forever chemicals can be present. Read our article, Is Your Water Safe?, to learn more. The link is in the description below. First, you'll want to unbox and gather all the parts together. The RKIN under sink reverse osmosis system comes with a set of easy-to-follow instructions and a small list of required tools, including vice grip pliers, a drill, and 2 drill bits. If you're not particularly handy or comfortable using power tools, you'll want to enlist the help of someone who is. We started with the faucet hole cover, beginning with smaller bits until we worked our way up, along with some cutting oil, until we could use the 12mm drill bit to finish the job. If you mess up, it's not a big deal, as you can pick up a new faucet hole cover for about $3 at your local hardware store. You can also drill directly into your sink. You'll want to attach the tubing and secure the faucet into the sink. The above sink part is done. Now it's time to dive into putting the system together under the sink. Start by marking where you want to drill in your screws.
There.
The screws will hold up the filters and reverse osmosis membrane. You may want to remove any drawers in the side cabinets to ensure you don't drill into them. Bonus, you might find items previous residents left behind. Then you'll want to attach the tubing that will go to your sediment filter from your water inlet. Hang it up on the screws that you already drilled in. Attach the white tubing from the faucet to the filtration system. For the pressure tank water reservoir, you'll want to apply Teflon tape to the top, then screw on the valve to prevent any leaking. The tube for the tank reservoir was a bit long, so we cut it to a length that suited our under sink area very well. Then we connected the tube of the tank reservoir to the filter system. Remember to also use Teflon tape before attaching the tube to the faucet in order to help prevent leaks. For us, the next part of setup was attaching the water inlet valve to the inflowing water supply as to allow travel through the filters and reverse osmosis membrane. The vice grip pliers will be needed, though we used a wrench. You may also want to keep a small bucket and old towel ready to catch any spills. Here you'll see the connector correctly placed. In one of the final steps, you'll need your drill and 7mm drill bit to drill through the top or side of the PVC pipe. Then you'll attach the drain clamp and use a screwdriver to tighten the clamp. Attach the blue tubing between the reverse osmosis membrane drain and the PVC pipe. You may want to cut the blue tube for a better fit. Remember to put the red C-shaped ring back with the plug. It's a wonderful sight to behold. All the work has been done and tubes are connected. All that's left to do is test and run the system. Once the equipment is correctly installed, fill and empty the tank twice before consuming water. All that's left to do now is treat yourself to a glass of clean water. Though the system has several components, including the reservoir tank, there is still plenty of room under the sink to keep your kitchen essentials. How clean is our reverse osmosis water compared to tap? We used our water quality tester to test the amount of TDS, or total dissolved solids. Water from our tap came in at 471, whereas our reverse osmosis filtered water, with the only pure post filter, came in at 3. If you haven't seen it already, you may want to check out our RKIN Zero Installation Purifier comparison video, where we test and discuss the difference between the countertop system post filters, the AlkaPure or remineralizing post filter, and the Only Pure or ion exchange post filter. The Only Pure post filter, which is what we have in our under sink reverse osmosis system, can bring TDS to 0. If you want to remineralize your water, you can add, like we do, trace mineral drops. We'll provide a link below in the description. Here are quite a few ways to use your reverse osmosis pure filtered water. Drinking it and using it to make coffee or tea, for bottle feeding babies, cooking, watering plants, particularly those that you plan to eat, ironing, for your aquarium or giving it to your pets to drink, and for rinsing produce, for you, your family, and your pets. Every bunny deserves clean, fresh drinking water. Curious about how you can save on your RKIN purchase? Click on the affiliate link in the description and save 10% off at checkout. Thanks for watching.